Good morning, my fellow adventurers. Welcome back to my channel, Adventure Sagas. Today, I promise you an exciting day full of explorations and discoveries. If you haven't already, make sure you subscribe and give a video a thumbs up to join us on all our upcoming adventures. Let's dive into today's journey and uncover the wonders that await. Let's get ahead. So today early morning, I started my day by checking on our chickens and quickly realized that the surrounding needed a good cleanup. Maintaining clean environment for our chicken is crucial for their health and well-being. It helps prevent diseases, keep the pests at bay, and ensure they have a happy living. So far, after realizing the coop needed cleaning, I grabbed my trusty rake and quickly began raking around to clear the garbage. Cleaning the coop is essential for maintaining a healthy environment for the chicken. It helps reduce the risk of chicken diseases and ensure the chicken have a clean and comfortable space to live around. Later on, the children joined me for a cleanup exercise. We also fed the chicken. It was such a satisfying activity to all of us. You can hear the children have realized that I'm here, so they decided to join me in the cleanup exercise. And together, we also fed our chicken. It was such a satisfying activity for all of us. Unaweza kunisaidia gunia yenye haitumiki ama rag? Nitumie kuzoa hii. So it's time to feed the bigger chicken. These ones are roaming about. We have a few that are enclosed. So I fed them by giving them maize grains. You can see them. They are happy and really rushing to grab the grains. So let's keep doing the good thing. Ashley. Huh? You're saying what? I'm here. Close the door. Eh? You come and assist me. You don't want to assist me? Step here. Step here. Close the door, Chichi. Chichi. Hi. Hold it. Just carry it. Here. Hi, Chichi. Come on, Chichi. Hi, you, Chichi. You from playing, eh? How is everyone? Good, eh? You have a... What is this? Where is the blood coming from?
No, not blood.
What is it?
Passion fruit of blood.
Oh, you ate, they call it tomato fruit from tomato tree. Okay. Put that one, I will just do that. How does it taste?
Eh?
How does it taste?
Good.
Good, eh? So Chichi likes it? You like it? Chichi, you like it? What am I doing? What am I doing?
Cleaning the compound.
Yeah, I'm cleaning the compound for chicken, eh?
Yeah.
So that they have a good environment. Good environment to do what?
I don't know.
This is where they like to chill. This one is called what? This one I'm using.
Eh?
It's called what? It's called a rake.
Eh?
Yeah. Can you come and try to do it? Try and clear it. Yeah. Do you also want to try? Oh, that's good, eh?
Yes.
Keep on doing that. Chichi, come and try yourself. Let Chichi try, eh? Come, Chichi.
It's too fun.
Come and try it. You clean it. You stand this way, eh? Stand this way. Then you rake it. Good. Let's continue. Good. Let's continue. Good. Do it alone. Do it alone.
Good, Chichi.
Good clap for Chichi.
Like this, Chichi. Let me show you. Move backward.
Yeah, move backward slowly.
Yes. This chicken is fantastic.
Hi, drive the chicken. This one is remaining. Slowly. Let me give. Close it. Everybody come. When you open the other chicken, you feed them. Come, Chichi. You don't feed the chicken. Come quickly. Come quickly. Pick your feet. Two hands. Okay, open the chicken and let the chicken out.
Wait, chicken.
Stay here. Chicken are coming.
But make sure you don't step on them.
You don't step on them, Ah, feed them. Feed them. Little by little. Little by little. Feed them little by little. Little by little. Feed them little by little. No, enough. That's enough. It's enough, eh?
Yes.
Feed them. Enough.
Okay.
Okay, give them a little bit. They still have so many here.
Yes.
Chip, 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 chip. Call them, call them. No, 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 no. Chip, 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 chip. Stay back. Chichi, move. You can come. Come very fast. Come very fast. Feed them, feed them, feed them. Are they liking?
Yes.
Okay, you can stay aside. Yes, just stay aside so that they fear coming closer to you. Kule. Thank you for following my channel. Kindly continue subscribing and supporting. We are close to reaching 1,000 subscribers. Help us reach this target before Christmas. Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.